Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Sandhya, I am from SVCA. Before getting to the topic, I request everyone to please like, share and subscribe my channel. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the Raspberry Pi introduction, its hardware layout, operating system and configuration to a programming. Let's discuss about the introduction to a Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi is a small, affordable and credit card sized computer that can be used for various projects. It was developed by the Raspberry Pi Foundation in the UK, and Raspberry Pi is popular for its versatility and ability to support a wide range of programming languages. And the hardware layout of the Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi consists of CPU, GPU, RAM, USB ports, HDMI ports, Ethernet ports, and GPIO pins. The GPIO is general purpose input or output pins, which allows for connecting external devices and sensors. It also has a micro SD card slot for the operating system and storage. And here you can see the diagram of the hardware layout of Raspberry Pi. And the operating system of for the Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi supports a various operating systems, including Raspbian based on the Debian, Ubuntu, and Windows 10's IoT core. Raspbian is a recommended OS for Raspberry Pi and comes pre-installed with essential software. And the operating system can be installed on a microSD card using the tools like Etcher. And coming to the configuring Raspberry Pi. After installing the operating system, users can configure the Raspberry Pi using the Raspi config tool. Configuration options include the setting up Wi-Fi, expanding the file systems, changing the hostname and overlocking. SSH, it is a secure shell which can be enabled for remote access to the Raspberry Pi. And the programming and the Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi supports the programming languages like Python, Scratch, Java, C or C++ and more. Python is commonly used for beginners due to its simplicity and readability. Integrating development environment IDEs like Thony and Jenny are available for coding on Raspberry Pi. Setting up Python development environment. Install Python on Raspberry Pi using the package manager or by downloading the Python installer. Use a terminal or IDEs like Thony to write and execute the Python code. Libraries like GPIO0 can be used for interacting with GPIO pins in Python. Using Scratch for Raspberry Pi. Scratch is a visual programming language suitable for kids and beginners, and it uses blocks to create programs by snapping them together. Scratch GPIO extension can be used to control hardware components on Raspberry Pi. Next, the programming in C or C++ on Raspberry Pi. C or C++ programming on Raspberry Pi requires a compiler like GCC. A code can be written in the text editor and compiled using the terminal. Libraries like WiringPi provide access to GPIO pins in C or C++. Next, creating a project with Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi can be used for various projects like home automation, robotics, media centers, and many more. Add-on boards like SenseHat, camera module, and PyTFT can enhance the project capabilities. Online communities and forums provide a project ideas and support for Raspberry enthusiasts. And networking and communication with Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi can be connected to the internet via Ethernet or Wi-Fi for communication and remote access. Tools like VNC virtual network computing and SSH enables the remote desktop and terminal access. MQTT and the other protocols can be used for IoT projects with Raspberry Pi. Here you can see the communication and network with the Raspberry Pi. And the security consideration for the Raspberry Pi, the secure Secure Raspberry Pi by changing the default passwords, enabling firewall setting, and keeping the operating system updated. Disable unnecessary services and ports to reduce vulnerabilities, and use the encryption and secure protocols when transferring the data over the internet. And the troubleshoot common issues on the Raspberry Pi. The common issues on the Raspberry Pi includes the power supply problems, SD card corruption, and overheating. Check connections and use a reliable power source and monitor temperature to prevent the issues. Online resources and forums can help troubleshoot specific problems on the Raspberry Pi. Real world applications of the Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi is used in education, prototyping, automation, and embedded systems. It can be deployed in smart home devices, weather stations, retro gaming consoles, and other many more. Companies and individuals leverage Raspberry Pi for innovative projects and solutions. The future developments and upgrades for the Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi continues to evolve with new models, improved performance, and features. Upcoming upgrades may include faster processor, more RAM, enhanced connectivity options, and better multimedia capabilities. The Raspberry Pi community actively contributes to the development and expansion of the platform. Overall, the conclusion Raspberry Pi offers a cost effective solutions for learning, prototyping, and creating innovative projects. Its compact size, versatility, and community supports make it a popular choice among the hobbyists and professionals. Explore the endless possibilities of the Raspberry Pi by experimenting with hardware, programming, and creativity. Thank you. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel.